You've received a DoorDash gift card via email. Now let's redeem it in the app using a simple step-by-step process. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then select Payment Methods or Account Credits from the menu. Choose Add Gift Card or Redeem Gift Card, then enter your gift card code. This code is typically 16 to 20 characters long. Tap Add or Redeem to confirm. The gift card balance will be automatically added to your account and can be used for future orders. You can also add your gift card directly during the checkout process. This method is convenient when you're already placing an order and want to apply your gift card credit immediately. Proceed with your order as usual. When you reach the payment section, you'll see various payment options, including credit cards and other methods. Look for the gift card or credits option in the payment section. This is where you can apply your gift card balance to your current order. If you haven't already added your gift card to your account, select Add Gift Card. This will open a field where you can enter your gift card code. Enter your gift card code carefully. The code is typically found on your physical gift card or in your email if it's a digital gift card. Make sure to enter all characters exactly as they appear. Once you enter the code, the credit will automatically be applied to your current order. Watch as your gift card balance is applied and your order total is reduced accordingly. An important feature of DoorDash gift cards is that they can be used across multiple orders until the balance is completely depleted. Your remaining balance stays in your account for future purchases. If you encounter issues such as an invalid code error, there are a few things to check. First, double-check for typos in the code entry. Second, ensure the gift card hasn't expired, as some cards have expiration dates.